Today, an advanced trading robot on website live. You can access from your mobile phone also, no problem. Okay, all our details, the website, API key and app ID, all details we will send you after purchase. Look here guys, you just need to hit this trading started button. With just $10 I'm gonna make good profit. As you guys can see here, the trading started button is switched. Let's move on app deriv.com. As you guys can see, the $10 website, $10 right now is on rise fall strategy, 9.53 profit, 9.53 profit. Live website of Deriv. Look here guys, the market is just moving and the bot is making trades just in couple of seconds. Analysis and couple of seconds the bot is making trade. As you guys can see, the balance is increasing, the profit is making by bot each trade with $10 and the payout is $9.53. Yes guys, this is rise fall trading bot. This is really very good, totally automated. You can access from any device, any mobile, iPhone, Android, tablet, MacBook, laptop, PC, any device. As you guys can see, the balance is increasing. Here you guys can see we are almost near to hit the $100. Okay guys, look here guys, the balance is increasing, the bot is making trade in background. Look here guys, it made more than $86.24. Now it's going to make us more profit. Keep watching guys, this is live on Deriv website. Okay guys, I hope you all people know this is smart trading. The broker offer there. See here guys, now I'm gonna hit the $100 profit. Look here guys, yes, this is, look here guys, this is a powerful strategy. I made $105.30. Okay guys, let me stop the bot. We made this $100 and go for withdrawal. Okay, now trading is started. Let me click on trading is stop. Okay, look here, the trading is stop. This is totally automatic trading. You just need to get the information, activation key, and switch this bot and make $10 into $100. Now let's go to website back and click on cashier. Let's click on cashier. Look here guys, now it's time to withdraw the profit. Now let's click on cashier and make the withdrawal. Click on cashier. As you guys can see here, we are on cashier. Okay, now click on withdrawal. They will send me an email. Click on withdrawal. Let's click on the send an email button. Just let me hit the send an email button. Okay, look here guys, we received an email from broker. Look here, Deriv official website. We received this email, a withdrawal email. Let me click the withdrawal and show you. Here guys, the money is out in my account.